First, to introduce myself, I am Yusuf Ali Khan. I have done my master in English literature first. After that, I have done my master in education. After that, I have done my master in international relations. After that, I have done master in business administration, HR specialty. After then, I have done master in law. I am also advocate of High Court. I have started my professional career as a professor of English from APSDC, R.E. Bhagre School and Degree College, some 22 years back. After that, I have been promoted as a director of education. After that, I have remained master trainer of UNHCR for 7 years. And after that, I have switched to oil and gas company. I remained manager. And after that, I moved to Doha, Qatar, and I remained there as a manager, general manager. I have almost 25 years experience of different walks of life. I am representing Manohar Publishers, one of the publishing house. Okay? इस अजनबियत को दूर करने के लिए आपसे भी तारुफ चाहिए। प्लीज तारुफ में आप क्या करेंगे? अपना नाम, अपना प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, ये दो चीजें, ताकि हम जब सेटिंग कर रहे हैं मैं उस अंदाज से अपने आप को मैनेज कर सकूँ। एंड इसी विच सब्जेक्ट? इकोनॉमिक्स। यू आर वेलकम। और कब से पढ़ा है?
Around about 10 years.
10 years. You are welcome, sir. Please. FAC. You are welcome, Principal sir. Take your seat.
I've done my master in history. I'm teaching from 3 years. Sorry, 3 years.
3 years. You are welcome, sir.
Instead of urdu. I'm about 15 years.
14 years. You are welcome, sir. Please.
It was we complete.
कब से पढ़ा रहे हैं सर?
3 years.
3 years. You are welcome, sir. Please.
My name is Muhammad Hasnain. I have done my BA and
कब से पढ़ा रहे हैं? कितना?
2 साल.
2 साल.
Yes.
You are welcome, sir, to this workshop.
Pakistan, I have done master in economics, 12 years experience.
10 years. You are welcome, sir. Please.
Kausar Hussain, bachelor के
Bachelor in
bachelor हमारे 8 साल से पढ़ा है।
8 साल से. You are welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Please.
MA Arabic.
MA Arabic. जी. कब से पढ़ा रहे हैं? 2 years. You are welcome, sir, to this session.
My name is Shah Hussain. I'm a qualified mechanical engineer in teaching mathematics since 8 months.
Qualified 4 years BS mechanical engineering. Teaching for the last 4 years.
Teaching since 8 months.
8 months. You are welcome, sir. Please take your seat.
My name is Farwaz Ali. I have been teaching for 3 years and I have completed my strong reading and genetics, MS strong reading and genetics.
Genetic? Which subject?
Blonde breeding and genetics.
Excellent. Blonde breeding and genetics.
Yes.
You are studying.
Yes.
You study
I have studied, I have completed my MS.
from Agriculture University.
Yes.
Okay. You are welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Please.
My name is Raji. I'm from Pakistan for 18 years service, and I'm retired working as a teacher.
You retired from Pakistan Air Force
Yes,
as
as a chief technician.
chief technician.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, associate engineer there.
Okay. Also, you are associate engineer in aeronautical or something like that. Okay.
Yes.
Professional background? Other professional background? Or you are master in?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Only associate degree you have.
Exactly there.
Okay. Please take your seat. You are welcome also. Please.
My name is Hasnain. I'm in economics. 3 years teaching experience.
3 years teaching experience. You are welcome, sir. Ji.
My name is Ahmed and I completed my intermediate from Islamic College Peshawar and teaching experience is almost 1 year.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you.
जी सर.
My name is Shaban Ali. I have been teaching for 2 years. My qualification is BS in process.
BS in process.
Yes.
You are welcome, sir. Please proceed.
नाम से लियाकत हुसैन MU 5 साल
लियाकत हुसैन
MU
उर्दू. Okay.
5 साल से मैं
5 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं. You are welcome, sir. You, sir.
नाम से विशाल हैदर मास्टर इकोनॉमिक्स
Right.
4 साल पढ़ा रहा
4 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं. You are welcome, sir. जी सर.
मेरा नाम सैयद रज़ा हुसैन है, BSc ऑनर किया हुआ है.
BS.
CS ऑनर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड है.
Okay. BCS on. Okay.
और 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है टीचिंग.
Okay. You are welcome, sir.
My name is Zakir Hussain, qualification English Language, experience 10 years.
10 years. You are welcome, sir.
I'm Jamshid B and professionally PGC. I have taught for 18 years.
18 years. You are welcome, sir. Please.
मेरा नाम सैयद रज़ा हुसैन, क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिक 4 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ.
Qualification matter 4 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं. You are welcome, sir. जी सर.
हो गया सर.
My name is Khalid Hussain, qualification B, 4 years experience in teaching.
4 years.
Yes.
You are welcome, sir. Please.
My name is Raif Hussain, qualification B, I teach 3 years.
3 years. You are welcome, sir. जी सर.
Shafiq Hussain, Master of Political Science. Teach from 5th year.
How much years?
Last 5.
5 years. You are welcome, sir. Take your seat.
My name is Hussain, qualification is MA Urdu, teaching for this 2 years.
2 years. You are all welcome, sir. Please take your seat. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. माशाल्लाह मेरे सामने बहुत क्वालिफाइड